Good morning. We're here in Mayo, Yukon, in Natchez traditional territory, and this is a great project Natchez is putting on. I'm going to demonstrate the holographic technology for the Dék'án Do project. So as you can see, there's this beautiful artwork. The artwork was created by Eileen Peter, one of our First Nation members, who's a graphic designer. And you begin by pressing the button, and then you can explore the community or explore new technologies. Let's see what happens if you press that button. So in this one, there's elder stories, craft demos, and community belongings. If you were to press elder stories, there will be numerous elders. You can look at their stories. So Betty, Frank, Roy, Joella, Walter. So there's a few different elders. I'm just going to take us back to Betty's story. So if I press on Betty, there's a bunch of options. There's different stories she has told. I really like her childhood memories one. So we're going to start the video. And you can see, this is just like Betty is sitting there. It's so special.
Always in the bush, and then all us kids sometimes would go swim.
Now, if you were to press the craft demo button, you'll see there's different demonstrations. There's snowshoe making, embroidery, wood carving, medicine making, and rattle making. So I'm going to press on rattle making. And this is Rattles by Melody Hutton.
You're on. My name is Melody Hutton.
Now if I press the Community Belongings button, you'll see we have just an example of a canoe. This isn't a canoe that is local to our area, but we just wanted to show what we will be able to do in the future. So if I move this around, you can see every angle of this object. We can turn it, look at it from every angle. So what we have been doing is we've been scanning a number of community belongings. We've got snowshoes, beaded vests, mucklucks, birch baskets, and there's many more to be scanned in. So this is just a work in progress, and this is what happens if you press that button.
Hi there. So this is the VR part of our project. It's basically to make language learning more immersive, engaging, connected to land, and using Indigenous ways of learning. Because we want it to also be inclusive, we have it working on multiple virtual reality platforms, specifically the one probably most people commonly think of as VR, the head-mounted display, but we also have it working on desktop and mobile devices as well. This is a close collaboration between community at Natchez and Carleton University pedagogy team, and they've been working together to come up with a kind of a way of learning, kind of naturally conversing with, as you'll see in a moment, the crow and wolf. From the Crow and Wolf clans of Natchez. So you're having a conversation with them, a natural one, learning the language, and you get to hear them saying these words and then also seeing the text. And the idea is that we're going to build upon this further, build more experiences that have more conversations, different locations. And one other beautiful part of this is that these are actual locations from the area, specifically beside the Stewart River. We 3D scanned some environments. We have some 360 video and imagery that we're using in these experiences so that they're connected to the land and to the language, to the people. Okay, so now in this VR language learning experience, learning Northern Shoshone. And I think you can see on the video kind of what I see. The idea is that you are introduced to this 3D scan space that is beside the Stewart River, and we run into this crow and wolf, and we converse with them. I'm kind of in the middle of the conversation right now. They're basically asking who I am, so I'm going to let them know, and I'll respond.